Hi, everybody. Welcome to our week 3 pre-recorded lecture videos. As promised, this week's lecture is pre-recorded and is being made available in week 2. So this week we will have 3 pre-recorded videos, and the links for all 3 are provided in Blackboard under the Blackboard Collaborate tab in week 3. In order to earn credit for this week's lecture, rather than doing like a summary or something like that, all you need to do is complete what I call the week 3 lecture quiz while watching the videos. These are very simple questions, only 5 questions on the quiz. They're very simple, no studying is needed. I will be giving all of the answers during the lecture videos. So why don't you pause now and go ahead and go back into Blackboard and open up your week 3 lecture quiz, which is found under the Blackboard Collaborate tab in week 3. And once you have it open, it should open in a new window. Go ahead and come back and start this video right up again. Okay. So I will be giving the answer to your first quiz question at the end of this short video. This week, we only have a couple of assignments. Like usual, we have 2 discussion boards. They are due, the main posts are due on Thursday, and the peer responses are due on Saturday, both at 11:59 p.m. You have a quiz in week 3. It's due on Sunday. Sorry about that. And you have the lecture quiz, which you have open now, which is also due on Sunday. Now, just as a reminder, you have an assignment from week 2 due Sunday, July 22nd. It is where you post your topic and your film for your final paper in the discussion board called Choose Your Film and Topic. So that should be done before you're listening to this video, but just in case, be sure that you get that done. Okay, so for your first quiz question, it asks what my middle name is. I told you these were simple. So my middle name is Anne. So be sure to click on Anne. So that's it for the first video. And hopefully you got an idea of how the lecture quiz works. Listen carefully. In the 2 following videos, they're each 15 minutes long. Listen carefully to them, and I give all the remaining 4 quiz answers during the video, and hopefully you'll learn a little bit about deviance and crime during the video, the 2 videos as well. All right, enjoy. Thanks.